What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think this is my third video that I made on Meta. And honestly, I think Meta is a unicorn investment, right? Where things seem to go maybe in the right direction or in a positive direction for the most part. I know that they've had some history where it has dropped down to about 99 cents. Or sorry, $99, not 99. That would be amazing if it was 99 cents and all the way up to $300. That would have been crazy. But it dropped all the way down to $99. But for the most part, you've seen a lot of positivity that has come out of Meta and everything that they've really done. Besides one area that I really want to talk about, but we might end up seeing that positivity as Mark Zuckerberg says that it's more of the long game than it is the short game. A lot of people are saying, hey, you need to focus on what's happening now, and you're not making money from that area right now. But he's banking on the fact that that will be where the future goes, where the future lies, and he wants to be in that space, and Meta wants to be in that space, and I think they will. But who knows if he will be successful within there? Who knows if he'll run out of money? But from how the overall income statement is looking with their overall cash, it's looking decent, right? It's not looking great for that one sector or that one area, but everything else not bad at all. So guys, if you could, we're going to talk about Meta in this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links in the description. It does help out the channel. Now, I made a video on Meta, which is on my other channel, on my like reaction channel. I didn't really make the video; it was more of a clips video. But we went over this article on this clips channel, talking about Mark Zuckerberg and how he hasn't really given up on the metaverse side of things. And you could see here, Meta remains committed to the metaverse despite 13.7 billion loss in 2022, Mark Zuckerberg says. Now, if you scroll down here, right, the focus on the metaverse hasn't been profitable for the social media giant as it continues to lose billions of dollars due to the initiative. During 2022, Meta's Facebook Reality Labs division, which is responsible for Metaverse, lost $13.7 billion on revenue of $2.2 billion, up from the loss of $10.2 billion on $2.3 billion in 2021. So they're putting a lot of money into the metaverse, but they're losing a lot because of things like give me 1 second. Things like this product, right? Even though it cost $1,500 in order to purchase, they said, or Mark Zuckerberg said, that he's losing a lot on each unit of this just to basically get out the slimmer and cheaper concept, as well as losing money on the Meta Quest 3, but offering it out there and making sure that you have the designs and all of that stuff. The research and development was probably the biggest portion of it, and being able to manufacture all of these is a big portion as well. So knowing that you're putting all this money into this area, you're putting billions of dollars into it, now it doesn't make sense that you see a lot of other, projects like cryptocurrency projects that are saying, hey, we're going to have this metaverse. At most, it's going to be a small scale metaverse compared to what the bigger metaverses will be. This is an ambitious long-term horizon, multifaceted. Actually, let me show you guys my screen real quick. This is an ambitious long-term horizon, multifaceted roadmap. There's a lot of components to Reality Labs' portfolio across VR, AR, metaverse, social platforms, neutral interfaces, and we really have a long-term horizon, or a long-term time horizon for evaluating the return on our investment here, Zuckerberg continued. I can't guarantee you that I'm going to be right about this bet. I don't think that this is or I do think that this is the direction that the world is going in. In the most recent earnings, Meta reported a fiscal second quarter net income of 7.7 $7.79 billion, up from $6.7 billion the previous year, with revenue climbing 11% to $32 billion. Daily active users on Facebook and Meta's family apps, including Instagram, also saw an increase of 5% and 7% respectively. Meta's Threads app, designed as Twitter replacement, has experienced a 60% drop of active users from its launch. So ultimately, you're looking at overall net income being at a different spot or a good spot, but then seeing that it could have been better if you're not spending so much money on the metaverse side of things. But if that's where the future is going, it makes sense. And obviously he's doing something right. If you look at the stock, you're seeing it up about 4% on the day from close to open. Even in the after hours market, it was really pushing up to about $330, opened up at $325. Now, since everything is pretty much falling down, this has fallen down as well from the open all the way into where it is right now, right? Opening at 325 and seeing it currently at 312. It's definitely down significantly from where it opened at, but it still is up overall on the day. Not like what you're seeing with a lot of other positions over here that are down a significant amount. But Meta is that unicorn position, right? Because they're failing in one area where they can get a lot of pushback, and people will say, look, don't buy into this product, don't buy into this, or don't buy this product, don't buy into this, investment. But they're finding ways to, make money overall. It's just hopefully this does work out for them. And, you see the downstream revenue that you can produce, and the opportunities that you will have with the metaverse. And I think there is a large amount of opportunity. It's just establishing the right device to be on. And being the first is always great, but finding a way to be the best is great as well. And there's a ton of products out there that will offer you, a good experience, right? We've seen, let me actually go back here. We've seen Apple just recently release their product, which is like $3,200. Somebody corrected me, I believe $3,200. And it's sort of similar to this. It just has a lot more cameras, and you're doing everything without the controllers that you have. So ultimately, I think, Meta is obviously a unicorn investment. Seeing it go from $99, I wanted to invest there. I just didn't have the funds to make that move. I would have put $1,000 in there, and it would have turned to $3,000 because it was at $99. Now it's at, or let's say $100, and now it's at $300+. And there's so much more room to grow for this overall, for this business. And it's not just one business, it's multiple businesses within one. So I'm kind of excited for Meta, even though I'm not invested into it. I'm excited for Meta. There's some people that I know that have this, position, but we'll see how everything plays out. I know that it's a unicorn position. I know it shouldn't be the way that it is, but it is, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.